Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are back again. Welcome to the beautiful community of Grayhawk here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 19,764 North 84th Way in Scottsdale, Arizona.
Before heading inside, we wanted to share with you the community itself, but more importantly, the actual location as well. So Kevin, let's start with this community. This is awesome.
It is. We are in Grayhawk, which is a guard-gated community section.
Perfect. And then as far as like some of the stuff inside the community, we're inside the tennis court right now.
Yeah, this one's cool. It's walking distance from the house, like literally, was it a couple hundred steps?
About 250.
Okay, about 250. But you got a tennis court. It almost feels like you have your own private tennis court. Plus you got basketball right behind us too.
Perfect. And then another nice part about the community itself is I saw a lot of people running, exercising.
Yeah, it's a great walking community. There are 31 miles of trails through Grayhawk.
Nice. So that's it for the community. Let's go take a peek at some of the nearby locations. Welcome to the Grayhawk Golf Club. Kevin, how does this fit inside this particular house?
Well, this is part of the community you live in.
And one of the nice parts about that is that it's literally about a mile away or so from the actual club.
Yeah, if you're lucky, it's really close.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the golfing portion of it.
Absolutely. Okay, so you have two courses in here. You have the Raptor course, which is where the golf club is at. That one was a Tom Fazio design course. It's a challenging 72 par course. And what's interesting about that one is the PGA Junior Tour as well as the NCAA Men's and Women's Championship are both held here.
All right, let's talk about the actual course that's right by the house itself.
Okay, that would be the Talent course, and that was designed by David Graham. It's rated by Golf Magazine as one of the top 100 that you can play in the U.S. It's hosted many tournaments, including the Pro-Am for the Waste Management Phoenix Open.
All right, Kevin, I just played both courses. I'm hungry. Where can I go?
Well, there are 4 places to eat here. One of them is called Phil's Grill, and I did look it up. It was not named after you.
But it was named after somebody a little bit more local, a little bit more celebrity than me.
Yeah, former ASU alumni Phil Mickelson.
Which is kind of cool. So As far as that goes, there's plenty of restaurants here at the golf course, so you don't have to go very far out. All right, Kevin, let's talk shopping.
Less than a mile from the home is shopping, and you know how important that is. People are always like, well, how far away is the grocery store? It is less than a mile. You got a Safeway, you've got other restaurants in there as well.
Perfect. So that's it for the shopping. We have one more spot for you. Our last location is the Thompson Peak Park. Kevin, what can you share with us?
Well, it's located about a mile from the house. It has 4 baseball/softball fields, children's playground, pickleball courts as well.
Great. And then last but not least about the park, there is something very special if you're a boy and girl.
There's a Boys and Girls Club right at the beginning of the park.
Great. Location, location, location. So that's it for all the locations. Let's head to the house. All right, we have a lot to go over with this beautiful house. Let's start with the front yard. Kevin, take it away.
I love this courtyard. They greet you on the way to the front door. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can sit out here. You got mountain view behind us, as well as there's artificial turf, so you don't have to worry about mowing. 3-car garage. You can fit 6 cars in the driveway.
Nice. Now, before heading inside, I know you wanted to mention a little bit about the owner and kind of what he's done in the inside.
He has done everything. There's literally no stone unturned.
Excited? Let's go take a peek. All right, let's talk specs. Kevin.
We're a single story, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,505 square feet.
So right now we're actually in the family room itself. What are some of the upgrades to the family room?
Well, one big one is right behind us. It's the wall of tile, and it's absolutely gorgeous.
Perfect. And as far as flooring goes, I didn't notice any carpet in the house.
There's no carpet at all. They have porcelain tile throughout. It's all matching as well. And it was about $38,000 to put it in. Yeah.
And another huge benefit of the family room is that you don't feel closed in. It feels very open.
It's very open. I think part of it's because you have 14-foot ceilings in this home.
Welcome to the beautiful kitchen. Kevin, let's talk upgrades.
Well, we got the brand new cabinets, quartz countertops, beautiful backsplash, as well as the farmer style kitchen sink.
Love it. Now, if you're a cook, why is this such a great kitchen?
Well, you do have the double ovens as well as the 5-burner gas stove cooktop. And when you're done cooking, you have that wine fridge over there.
Nice. A couple of other items that I love about the kitchen itself huge walk-in pantry. Plus, you can cook and entertain at the same time because it is an open kitchen concept. Welcome to the beautiful master bedroom. Kevin, let's talk about some of the big ticket updates here.
We have the custom quartz wall behind us that was custom designed by the owners, as well as a sitting area, and the built-in entertainment center with the cabinets.
Perfect. One of the nice parts about the master bedroom is it does not feel closed because of the taller ceilings. Now that's it for the master. Let's head to the master bathroom. We are in the master bathroom right now. A lot of stuff to go over, but Kevin, let's talk about the big ticket items.
Well, the big ticket item about this bathroom is the complete remodel. You have the brand new cabinets, the quartz countertops, the freestanding tub, as well as the beautiful oversized shower behind us.
Great. Another nice part about this is that there's plenty of storage and it feels very spacious.
And again, I think that's because we have 14-foot ceilings in this home. It's definitely very roomy.
Perfect. And then last but not least, this master closet.
The master closet, again, very large, and it has built-in cabinets as well.
Perfect. So plenty of storage, and another item that you'll notice is that there's even backsplash throughout the bathroom as well. Welcome to the flex room in this beautiful house in Scottsdale. Kevin, let's talk about what it can be used for.
Well, they're currently using it for billiards, but it can also be used for formal dining as well as for home office.
Perfect. And as far as some of the updates to the actual room itself?
Beautiful light fixture over the pool table, the wainscoting surrounding the walls as well, and the power shades. They actually have that throughout the whole home.
Nice.
Yeah.
Welcome to the backyard. We are going to break this up into two sections for you. Section 1, Kevin, take it away.
We got this beautiful fire pit with the travertine bench seating around it, as well as a fireplace right behind you.
It's a perfect place just to sit back, relax, and entertain.
I agree.
Now, if I love pizza, why would I love this backyard?
Well, what's behind me is this pizza oven. So let it warm up for 30 minutes, and you can start having some wonderful homemade pizza.
Very unique. Welcome to section 2 of the backyard. Kevin, let's talk about the pool and the hot tub first.
Well, it's PebbleTech, it's heated, and you also have the beautiful water features too.
Now, some of the things that happen with heated pools in Arizona is that they either don't work or they just take forever to heat up.
Not only is this one good, it's super efficient. For just over $2 a day, you can heat the pool.
Which is incredible, especially when you're thinking of heating a pool during the fall or winter months here. Now, another part of the backyard that we want to mention is going to be the built-in barbecue area. Why is this area so special?
Well, you got the pergola over the top of it with the misters for the hot summer days, as well as a heater for the cooler winter nights.
Perfect. And then another big ticket item is if you love to entertain, this is an entertainment backyard, especially with the surround sound.
Yeah, you have the surround sound, so while you're grilling at the outdoor kitchen, you can enjoy it. We had a blast in earlier today. I don't think I've ever heard anything that crisp.
Perfect. And then last but not least, we wanted to share with you the AC units. Why do we want to bring that up?
Because they're only 2 years old, and replacing AC units on a home can be very expensive. And not only are the AC units only 2 years old, but the heating system is as well.
Great. And then last but not least, the AC units are trained. So if somebody wants to set up a showing at this house, what's the easiest way to go about doing that?
We make it very simple for you. You can call 480-305-6655 or go on the internet to GoSoldRealty.com.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.